Pacquiao on the attack na solid po niya kanina si Desierto.
Desierto also fighting back, but Desierto now aiming at the midsection of Pacquiao.
Ayun, left. Dalawang sunod. Natamaan si Desierto, but he was able to come back. He is trying to come back.
And again, a combination. He has a tendency to bring down his right arm. Pero ito si Desierto has not been able to take advantage of that. He should score with a left hook. Oy!
Umatras, umayaw!
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 1, 1995, ang batang undefeated boxer na tubong Jinsan na si Manny Pacquiao ay lumaban sa Metro Manila. Hinarap ang undefeated boxer din na tubong Iligan City na si Dili Desierto. Non-title fight at nakaschedule lang sa 6 na rounds. Bit-bit ni Desierto ang record na 4 wins, 0 loss, habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay may 3 wins, 0 loss. 21 na ang kalaban habang 18 pa lang si Pacman. Sabay nating balikan at sariwain ang pinakaunang knockout win sa karera ng ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao. Unang round, agad nagpapalitan ang dalawa ng mga solidong kamao nila. Makikitang maskulado itong si Desierto habang si Pacquiao naman ay payat pero solido.
Aba, ito si Dele Desierto. Sunod-sunod po ang kanyang panalo. 6 na sunod na panalo. Ito si Dele Desierto. Kanya po ang record niya ay 6-1 after suffering his first and only loss in his professional debut.
Okay, maganda ito. Dalawang lefties, pareho silang kaliwete.
Aha.
So, this is going to be a good fight.
Well, partner, ito si Pacquiao he's holding his arms too low. He's exposing his face.
That's right.
Medyo malutong.
Medyo baka
Yung jab
masingit.
dito, oo.
Masingitan ng left hook ito Another, dito pa rin tayo sa flyweight division. Will acquit themselves this time. Medyo malakas. Ilang 3 wins si Pacquiao. No KO pa. 3-0 siya.
Oh,
that's a
tinamaan
good
po si
right.
Pacquiao. Desierto's fighting out of that jab, which is setting up his big left hand. Magandang forma nito ni Desierto
Yes. Malakas din bumigay ito si
Pacquiao sa katawan.
Match.
Yes. And he has been able to stop Desierto from punching. I think Desierto's feeling the sting of those body punches.
Well, he was able to.
And despite the fact na ito si Pacquiao wala pang knockout sa kanyang record.
Okay, that's the end of the first round. Very impressive.
Magandang laban.
Yes, puno na po kami ngayon.
Partner, baka pwede na natin sabihin dito that boxing has definitely come back in a big way.
Yeah.
Second round, tuloy ang mas uminit pang laban. Matitinding palitan ng mga kombinasyon ang pinapakawalan.
Ito po si Pacquiao. Now on the
That's right.
attack. Wow!
Pacquiao on the attack na solid po niya kanina si Desierto.
Desierto also fighting back.
Dalawang sunod. Natamaan si Desierto, but he was able to come back. He is trying to come back.
And again, a combination from Pacquiao. Is using that right hand now as a measuring device, but he has been able to connect with his left.
Yes.
Desierto also connected that time.
With an upper, these youngsters. There's
once
another
more,
left.
yes. A left to the
Desierto's
jaw of
face.
Desierto.
Yes. All right, this time.
Yes.
An opponent, he doesn't clinch, he doesn't cover up.
Well, Pacquiao has been able to really pinpoint his target here in this round.
That's right. And Desierto tried to come back to score on his own. Medyo nanghina ng konti, Talaga niya. The crowd egging on Pacquiao.
Enjoying the action now.
That's
Pacquiao
right.
has been able to lanan ng kamay ni Desierto.
Maganda so far ang timing ni Pacquiao.
Oh, very, very well.
Pero sa mga huling segundo, habang nagpapalitan ng mga kamao sa budiga at ulo, bigla na lang tumalikod at lumayo itong si Desierto. Hudyat na pala ito ng kanyang pagsuko.
Maganda. Sabayan, palitan.
Actually, may parang masamang bisyo ito si Pacquiao because of that. He should score with a left hook. Oy!
Umatras, umayaw! Umayaw bigla! Umayaw bigla!
Si Dele Desierto, sabi niya, ayaw na niya.
Kaya tinigil na agad ng referee ang laban para malayo sa posibleng kapahamakan. Di kinaya ng kanyang bodega ang kamaong dala-dala ni Manny Pacquiao. Panalo si Pacquiao dito ang kauna-unahang TKO sa kanyang karera, habang itong si Dilly Desierto ay di na ulit lumaban pa. Diretso retiro matapos siyang matalo. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Ng kanan. Yumuko siya.
He could not take the
Nagulat.
body punches. Nagulat si
Pati si
Manny
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao.
Nagulat. Nung umayaw si
And
Desierto.
this is his fourth straight victory. Yan na po ang announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, winner by TKO, Manny Pacquiao.
Shout out kay Alex Ali, Crisanto Pineda, Rixis Kane Lumungsod, Boards Abad Channel, Jawi Boxing PH, Nonilon Padre, Benjamin Lo Chavez, John Panhang, Never Surrender 0824, Johnny Morales, Binjun Alaurin, Jimmy Manuel, Jack Hall, Argos, Emilio Toble from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Gilbert Ardinia, Jojo Dimitillar, Arnold Cantiveros, Wang's Official Vlog, Lucy Ang. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.